Hey, by the way, upcoming videos, we've got the X350. If you remember, we did the deck, cleaned it all, and then put fluid film on it. Also, this piece of junk is going. That's what's in this box right here. So we'll be showing that in an upcoming episode as well. Play around with this too. This is extension cord reel. I'm gonna mount that. We got a whole bunch of stuff planned. Now, unlike the driveway, roads are in good shape. They've been salting throughout the night, and I imagine they'll continue to salt today. Yeah, so I think what we're gonna do, we're gonna go back after I get coffee and get the driveway plowed out. I know I'll have to do it later on because this other snow is coming, but if I don't, it's just gonna be a mess. Yeah, so up ahead, I don't know if you can make it out, you can see 3 plow trucks that are plowing and salting at the same time. 1, 2, 3, and they'll each take a lane, and in one swipe they'll get the road clean. Well, it's all snow now. We're almost back to the house. I don't know how good the back box blade's going to do in this, because of course you don't have any down pressure with a box blade, it's just the weight of the implement. We'll see. So I think I should explain really what I'm doing here. Obviously this is not a lot of snow. What happened was it snowed, then we got rain. All this is basically almost a liquid, and then the temperature is going to drop dramatically. And we're going to get up to 8 inches of snow is what the forecast is saying. I'll tell you right now, there actually ended up being more than that. So I'm just trying to prepare. Well, this video is all over the place. This is now 24 hours later from when we cleaned up that little mess in the driveway. It is an absolutely spectacularly beautiful day, but it's cold. It's 16 degrees, and we've got winds which are going to increase up to 40 miles an hour, 40 mile an hour gusts. But as far as snow, they were pretty much right on. Matter of fact, probably on the light side. Just walking through the driveway real quick, looks like anywhere from 8 inches to a couple feet in the drifts. So we got to get that cleaned up. But yeah, it is an absolutely beautiful day. This is the first winter that I've actually been running low on diesel. And you know what else is running low? Is salt. A lot of the municipalities are having a real issue. It's not like we've had a tremendous amount of snow, but we've had, as I've said in the videos, occurrence after occurrence after occurrence. 1 inch, 2 inches, 3 inches. And every time that happens, the municipalities have to salt the roads. So, including the city of Buffalo and some of the bigger townships around are having an issue with salt and talking about bringing it in from elsewhere, and I don't know what they're going to do. I really don't. If they don't have salt for the roads, yeah, it's not going to be good. When we get up to rail, the low temperature is supposed to be 2 degrees. And I'll tell you, driving around, the people, especially the parking lots that didn't get that slushy snow out, they're absolutely horrible. Ice skating rinks. About tearing up the grass or the stones because everything's frozen. cold, so I'm going to hook up the trickle charger. Oh, we don't need it, but what the heck. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Yeah, living in Western New York can be a challenge at times, but we've got the equipment, got the time, and you guys know me. I love doing it. Thank you so much for joining us. God bless you all, and we'll see you next time on Tractors in Life.